My name is Rajesh Gupta. I am the Director for Sales for Micron in the SAARC region, India and SAARC region. Micron started its sales operations in India in the last quarter of 2019. So we have 2 years journey. It's been a memorable journey. In the very first year of our operations, our first focus was to set up all our processes, distribution systems, channel engagements, etc. One of our key endeavor has been to bring almost all the good Micron products and technologies to our customers in our market. We back that up with innovative promotion programs, training to the channel partners. We have spent right from the beginning. We were very focused on establishing a very good post-sale support network. So we tied up with a third-party agency and we have established a post-sale support network that supports almost 40 cities. One of the strengths that Micron has is Micron is a leader in both DRAM and NAND technologies. And our strength lies in our leadership products. And as and when our products are launched, Micron's endeavor is to bring those products available to our customers through our channel partners in India. Other activities that we have done, we have a very good partner connect engagement, partner connect programs. We remain in good regular connect with our partners. We have invested in a very sound distribution, which is very important in a large country like India. Through our distributors, we have a very widespread network. We ensure that our products are available in channels across in a very consistent manner, and then we back it up with regular training programs. We have also used, during the COVID period, we stayed connected with our channel partners through the digital medium. As the market is turning more and more digital, we have invested a lot in digital and social marketing. We reach to our target audience with appropriate campaigns, and we strike a balance between all our opportunity. From a Micron perspective, we think that as a technology leader, the opportunity for us is to bring the latest products and make it very, very widely available to our customers through all through different channels. My message to our customers and our channel partners is we are at the cusp of a digital revolution in India, and we are in the right business. And it's a great opportunity for us. Learn about the new developments that are happening in the marketplace. Ensure that that we are ready to offer those products and solutions to our customers and customers. And Micron will be working very closely with our partners to make the technology transitions and technology knowledge.
For more information, please visit www.ncnonline.net.